Hi everyone, my name is Lucia, and today we're going to talk about Ultrasuede here at Circle Furniture, a high-performance fabric that we use with many of our customers. So what is Ultrasuede? Ultrasuede is actually a dense material that's made up of many fibers that's basically pressed into this really fine, thin fabric. This starts off as 3 feet deep, and when they compress it and pin it, it comes out this luxurious Ultrasuede material. This type of fabric can actually go through 200,000 double rubs without showing any abrasion, which makes it so highly effective when used on luxury items. They use it in Ferrari, they use it on yachts. It's great for in-home now, not just interior design projects, but home projects. I myself have it. I have 2 dogs and the Ultrasuede holds up awesome. So what makes Ultrasuede a performance fabric? Well, for one, it's stain resistant. So whether you're having that glass of wine that slips out of your hand or a Fido just jumps on your couch after a muddy run, you can actually wipe it down clean with some detergent, sometimes just soap and water. The cool thing is when you are cleaning it and you are rubbing it, that 200,000 double rub commercial grade kicks in. So that way it doesn't wear down the fabric or create different spots as if you did clean it. It'll look like the rest of the sofa. So the second part to that too, it doesn't hold any moisture. So I've actually had a friend come over and spill a huge cup of, coffee with lots of milk in it, which can be very smelly, and all over the arm of the sofa. I got it all out. It didn't smell. It didn't change the consistency of the fabric. The luxurious feel on the back, the arm was just the same, and you couldn't see any discoloration, which was awesome. So pet friendly, kid friendly. It's awesome as far as cleaning, spot cleaning, overall cleaning. Doesn't hold odor, doesn't pill, which is fantastic. It's got great color fastness, which is really awesome too, especially if you have a sunny room. So Ultrasuede is a high performance fabric with such a great feel to it, a nice soft hand. And it can be used in many applications, even headboards, benches, chairs, dining chairs, and of course, sofas. I hope you learned a little bit about Ultrasuede today and how great a fabric it is. So if you want to learn more about Ultrasuede, please subscribe to our channel.